Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have some pretty good deals going on this week. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, let's go ahead and take a quick look at our insert schedule for today, December the 11th. We should be receiving a new Smart Source and a new Save insert in today's Sunday newspapers. Now, I wanted to share a couple of quick tips with you all on purchasing newspapers because I know the prices continued to go up. My local newspaper just recently raised their prices again for the second time this year. So keep in mind that you guys can use Walgreens cash to pay if you have a Walgreens in your area. The thing with that is that you have to pick up a drink or something else in that transaction. You can't just go in and pick up newspapers and pay with Walgreens cash just for the newspapers. But if you throw in a piece of candy, that will trigger the system and let you pay with Walgreens cash. All right. Now, the other thing to keep in mind is you can pick up Sunday newspapers at Dollar Tree on Mondays. All right. So usually those are $1 or $1.25 depending on your area. I would suggest if you guys do want to pick them up at Dollar Tree, call up there ahead of time and ask them when their Sunday newspapers are delivered because they typically go pretty fast. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. Next up, we have a one-off one for the All and Snuggle products. Those are on sale this week for $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, we have a 50-cent off one digital coupon for the finished products. Now, we do have higher value coupons for $1.50 off one, so if you haven't used those yet, I would go ahead and pass on clipping this lower value coupon. Next up, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Downy or Gain scent beads. So the Gain scent beads are priced at $4.50. Picking up 2 after the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2, and that is going to go perfect with our Gain DG store coupons. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Nivea lotions. Those start out at $5.10, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.10. Then we have a 1 off 2 for the Lysol wipes. So those start out at $3.50 each. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Eucerin lotions. Those are priced at $5.85, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.85. We have a $1.50 off 1 for the Airwick Scented Oil Twin Refills, or the Twin Refills themselves. So those are priced at $5.75 or $5.50. So it really just depends on which one you want to pick up. If you pick up the ones at $5.50, after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Now, keep in mind, we do have a higher value coupon, and that is for a 3 off 2. So it just depends on what you want to pick up. All right, next up, we have a $1.50 off one for the Listerine. So those start out at $5.30. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.80. So that's a pretty high value coupon on Listerine products. Usually, if we get them, they're only a 1 off 1. Alright, next up, we have a $3.50 off 2 digital coupon for the Vaseline lotions. So those are priced at $4 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Downy products. So those start out at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Moving on down, we have a 1 off 1 for the Energizer batteries. If you want to pick up the 2 packs, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have a new hair color coupon. We have a 2 off 1, and then you're going to see a 5 off 2 down here. We have a 2 off 2 for the Fritos chips. So those are on sale this week, 2 for $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. We have a 1 off 3 for the Canada Dry, Sunkissed, and RC Cola 12 packs. Those are on sale, 3 for $12. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 3. Moving on down, we have 50 cents off for the pepperoni dog treats. Those are priced at $2.90. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.40. We have a 1 off 1 for the BioFreeze, 2 off 1 for the Clorox disinfecting mist. I cannot believe that these are so expensive at $7 a bottle. So if you do want to pick those up, use the coupon and you're going to pay $5. All right, moving on, we have Nexium. We have 50 cents off for the 24 to 31 ounce cans of Maxwell House coffee. Those are on sale for $8.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8. We have a new 2 off 1 for the extra laundry detergents. These are priced at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Moving on down, we have a 3 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergents. This is on the bigger bottles. Those are priced at $10, so after the coupon you're going to pay $7. We have a 1 off 1 for the Clorox products. A 2 off 1 for the Downy Rinse Aid or the regular Downy fabric softener. So those are all priced at $6.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. It's a pretty good deal there. We have a 150 off 1 for the Tylenol. 2 off 1 for the Olay and the Old Spice gift sets. Now this isn't showing as attaching to anything in the app, but I'm pretty sure those are priced at $10. But we'll definitely have to scan that in the store to double check. Alright, moving on, we have some new DG store coupons. So 1 off 1 for the Barbie. There's some Hot Wheels monster trucks, some Uno cards. The lowest priced item with this coupon, you can pick up the Hot Wheels monster trucks. Those are priced at $5.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. We have a 1 off 1 for the DG Health electrolyte solution. Those are priced at $4.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.65. Then we have a 1 off 1 for the DG Health cold and flu medicine. Those are priced at $5.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4.25. Then we have a new gain coupon. Now you guys let me know down in the comment section below if you received the same gain coupon. So this is a 5 off 20 and it does expire on December the 17th. So that will be great for this weekend with our 5 off 25s. But you guys let me know down in the comment section if you received anything different or if you have the same gain coupon on your account. All right, moving on down, we just have a few more to go over. We have a 2 off 12 for the Hanes products. So there's underwear and socks and shirts included with that coupon. These products start out at $7.50. So if you pick up 2 packs after the coupon, you're going to pay $13 for 2. Then we have a 1 off 1 for the Rexall melatonin. If you want to pick up the 60 count, those are priced at $3.30. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.30. And that might be $3 at some stores. Again, just double check your price. It's always price check, especially right now where we have price increases pretty much every single week. All right, next up we have a buy 10, get 1 free on the Hot Wheels or Matchbox cars. So with this coupon, you're going to pay $12.50 for 11 of those. They're priced at $1.25 each. Next up, we have a 50 cents off for the DG Health Children's ibuprofen. There's a couple other products included. Those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And then we have a 2 off 2 for the Root to End products. Those are priced at $5 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 2. Alright guys, so there you have it for our new Dollar General digital coupons so far. Now we are starting off a little bit slow this week, but don't worry about it. I've got a couple of tricks up my sleeve. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. I will have the penny list and new clearance markdowns video coming up next. So make sure that you have those notifications turned on. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.